Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of my crypto predictions. Today is the 23rd of April. And before I continue, I want to invite you all to like, share, and subscribe because, guys, look at this. This prediction for April. So amazing. Basically, every single one of my predictions doesn't even matter. If I'm talking cryptocurrency, I'm including Forex, stocks, gold, whatever you name it, even sports predictions. Uh, it's just amazing how accurate this is, and time again, non-stop, endlessly, I'm proving my work on parallel, basically on challenge. Okay, when I say that no one else has this accuracy, it's not to brag, guys. It's really not to brag. It's just the facts. Okay, it's showing you every single day, every single week, why my predictions, my trading signals are the best. And if you're new to this channel, you need to really catch up. You need to subscribe, and if you have any doubts, just go watch the tutorials. It's in the pin video in my main channel. So we saw that an amazing, incredible volatility, a very good day so far. This all starts in the 20th of April. You guys recall that I've said several weeks ago that this range of days within these boxes will be among the most profitable days, the best days. We're seeing many meme coins, many other altcoins reaching again the another peak. Some of them are reaching their all-time high. Even the Trump meme coin is pumping really hard, which is good because some people have still investments in that meme coin. So it's always, I always advise people, especially when regarding meme coins, to never sell them their meme coins, even if the price collapses to zero, they can recover eventually with a big bang. So we saw extremely good days on the 20 and continuing on the 21 as well and the 22. Now, this is a range of days. 22 starts with this green box, officially the last green box, which covers every single day until the 24. Now, these boxes, it's a range of days where these movements can happen. It doesn't mean all of these days are going to be consecutive green days with massive pumps. It doesn't mean that at all. So I always say this because some people could get confused. I'm not saying all of these from the 22 to the 23 to the 24 are going to be green days. No, I'm saying only one of these days. So far, the 22 was the first day, and what a massive bang this was. Basically, this is the ultimate peak of Bitcoin so far. It's much higher than the previous one, which was around 88k. This one reached more than 93k. So it's very, very good. Bitcoin really looking good. It's probably going to do even better the next months. The ones of you who already know because of the Bitcoin monthly predictions, you guys know what to expect on the next months. So yeah, I was honestly expecting this green box to hit around the 23 or the 24 because those days are completely green, especially the 24. Well, the 23 is also very volatile, but it was also the start of this red box. And right here we see 21, obviously not a correction, 22, not a correction. And 23, which is today, it's the closest thing to a correction, but it's really not the case because we see the price basically stays in range. The original position or the starting position is nearly identical to the current position. So it's basically a range day with lots of volatility. You can see that the price goes down very hard, around almost 92k, then bounces back to another level, almost 94, and currently it's at 93k. So this is because this day, 23, was also sharing red days or red energies. And whenever we see that happening, it usually goes like this. The price crashes and pumps really hard in that same day. That's really good for people who trade perpetuals because they can provide easy, quick, and very profitable long or shorts or both in a single day. So it's really good. So what can we expect for the next days? Maybe tomorrow could be another green day. If we're very lucky, we can see another powerful movement. It could be kind of an exaggeration to see another one of these to happen in such a short time frame, but it can happen. So we need to be prepared. But around the 25, I believe it could be a more relaxed day. Technically, yellow days always mean either volatility or range. So when I go for volatility, I always try to find clear volatility patterns. I have talked about them many times. Many of you already know what I'm referring to. So if it doesn't happen a very volatile day on the 25, it will be a completely chill, completely relaxed, almost nothing burger day. Around the 26, 27, I expect a correction, 27 being a possibly very volatile day. And the only days which could still bring some surprises are the 28 or 29. This is a box in a yellow zone, which basically means in this specific case, extreme volatility. One of these days is going to be extremely volatile. And this can bring either lows or highs, or even a mix of both in a single day. So we need to be prepared because the box is not either red or green, it's in yellow. It's kind of undecided. What we can expect for sure is to basically see very volatile days. And if the price weakens, which is most likely the case as we finish the month of April, I believe this will not go below. I mean, I was not even expecting 90k. 94k. I was expecting around 90 to 91 at most. So this is this is way too optimistic for my original expectation. So if the price crashes, I really don't see it going back to, let's say, 88k. I think it's a good level. It's a good support zone, I believe, and a resistance in these days. So yeah, I believe that will be the worst outcome for April. May will spell completely other scenarios, but we still have time before the month of April finishes. So that's basically all I have for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at the XRP chart, which is kind of similar, but at the same time it's not. Oops, this is not the one. So this is the XRP chart, and what we can see is that basically it has benefited from some of these days, but at the same time it has completely underperformed compared to Bitcoin. For example, the 21, which is the day that Bitcoin completely rises, very strong movement. It was in the case for XRP red day. It's a complete disappointment on that day. The 22 volatile day, some of the most volatile in XRP for this month, and 23, well, 23 was looking good, but at the same time it crashed really hard, and it's currently a red day, kinda close to the starting position, but not really, especially not compared to Bitcoin. So basically, what the overall scenario looks like for XRP is that it's basically Bitcoin, but with much less volatility, and especially underperforming in some critical days like the 21 that I just talked about. So for XRP in particular, the 24 could also spell some nice volatility. It's going to be kind of undecided, which is funny because this basically tells me in advance that XRP was going to underperform compared to Bitcoin. But yeah, basically we need to be prepared whatever happens there. I mean, it could potentially be more relaxed than Bitcoin if we see volatility for XRP, because look at this, many of these days were completely in range, whereas Bitcoin was way more active. So around the 25, 26, another correction. I believe some of these days, or actually both of them, are completely correlated to the Bitcoin chart, meaning that these days are also red. So it's kind of it adds more validity to that potential dips that we're going to see. 27, 28 in yellow, maybe one of these days will be mostly in range, especially I think the 27, but the 28 could be volatile. We need to be prepared. And in the case for XRP alone, the last box is a red box. 28 to the 30, basically the last days, we can see and expect some powerful correction. So it's really looking like XRP is going to really underperform in the last days compared to Bitcoin. So that's something that you guys, especially you XRP fans, need to prepare. But yeah, that's basically all I have. I believe the next session will be around basically Sunday, which is going to be the last session for April. So I want to invite you all from this time to write down in the comments what cryptocurrency you want me to cover for the next predictions of May. Okay, as I always do, the one that gets the most popular support, the one that I see most requested, is the cryptocurrencies that I'm going to choose for May. Okay, but I always give that opportunity for free. All you have to do is pick and write down in the comments what cryptocurrency you want to see for May. So having said that, guys, I wish you have a good day. I'll see you guys later. Take care. Subscribe, like, and share.